and the burrito tacos. And oh man, that one is for boba. The Cebollo food. No, not really. Bestie, and I'm just going to order my food, okay? Mozzarella sticks. Oh, that looks. What should I get? Should I get? Okay, Bestie, are you recording right now? Well, Bestie, can you restart? Bestie, please. Okay, well, Bestie, can you restart? I wasn't ready. Well, I was talking something else. Why is it not letting me eat? Yummy. I like the ramen noodles. I don't know, but I just like the ramen noodles. I want to try the burrito because I think the burrito is gonna be good. Wait, that's actually good. Wait, what about the ramen? I think the ramen. Let's see. I just saw someone at the door. I just saw someone trying to get in. Bestie, don't let them in. This is an ASMR. Wait, why is the mozzarella stick so good? Oh, Bestie, why don't you eat it then?
Minutes ko lang. 18 pesos video.
Bestie, the flaming hot chickens are not that satisfying. No, Bestie, the noodles are the best. I got 3600. It's the money. I ate 209 food, and my money I have 3700. What kind of video you gonna watch? Okay. Bestie, bestie. Can you quiet down? I'm about to make a video. But I need to clear the sheet. Okay, now let's go here. And let's put all of the noodles. And today we will be playing this game, and I am only gonna eat noodles. So let's start. And let's pick another one. Let's pick that one. It's so yummy, you all. Okay, let's try it out. Well, let's see now. Okay, well, this is